This 1917 image shows a brave French Red Cross dog wearing a gas mask. During World War I, these loyal animals served crucial roles as messengers or mercy dogs, searching for wounded soldiers. Their protective gear was vital against chemical attacks. This photo highlights the extreme measures taken to save lives in brutal conflict. At first glance, this smiling young man might seem unfamiliar. Look closely. This image captures quiet determination, hinting at an extraordinary future. One day, incredible strength and an unyielding spirit would define a unique legacy. His identity revealed at the video's end. Can you guess who this is? In 1965, President Lyndon B. Johnson drove his amphicar into a lake at his Texas ranch. He was known for pranking guests, pretending the brakes failed, then driving the amphibious vehicle right into the water. This unique car combined land and water travel. Johnson loved surprising visitors with his playful, unconventional style. Behold this groovy gadget from the mid-1960s, an early portable hairdryer? Forget your sleek Dyson. This involved a soft, inflatable bonnet, like a stylish space helmet, connected to a suitcase-sized blower. Imagine the glamour of bringing salon-worthy hair home. While maybe not the most elegant look, this quirky invention was a fun and significant step towards modern beauty convenience. Talk about unusual beauty pageants. Here, contestants in a beautiful legs contest wear pillowcases over their heads. This peculiar event, often held at places like Coney Island in the mid-20th century, ensured judges focused solely on the legs. No faces, no distractions, just pure leg assessment. What a hilarious and wonderfully weird look into a bygone era of entertainment. Here are Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Buzz Aldrin. This iconic 1969 photo captures the Apollo 11 crew smiling, just months before their historic moon landing. Standing before their mighty Saturn V rocket, their calm confidence is evident. It's a powerful glimpse into the optimism and ambition that propelled humanity to the stars. This striking photo from the late 1800s showcases a unique exhibit, the preserved nervous system of Harriet Cole. A hospital cleaner, Cole chose to donate her body to science. However, the exact reasons for this profound decision remain a mystery. Created by anatomist Rufus B. Nesbitt, this intricate display is a rare Mütter Museum treasure, a poignant medical legacy. Meet these tough Princeton students from 1893. With black eyes and bruised faces, you'd think they fought a boxing match. Actually, this is their aftermath from an epic snowball fight. Back then, university snow battles were brutal, full-contact events. This photo truly captures the wild, competitive spirit of bygone college days. In 1925, archaeologist Howard Carter and his team finally unveiled the golden sarcophagus of Tutankhamun. After years of careful excavation, they revealed the young pharaoh's mummy inside. This iconic photo captures that awe-inspiring moment. It's a testament to incredible perseverance and a golden discovery that captivated the world. Talk about an epic delivery. This 1885 photo shows the colossal face of the Statue of Liberty, unpacked in New York. Arriving from France in 350 pieces, this massive gift was reassembled like a giant puzzle. It's a fascinating look at the incredible scale and engineering behind America's iconic symbol of freedom. Who knew dictators had awkward fashion moments? This 1927 photo shows a young Adolf Hitler striking a pose in traditional German shorts. He hated this image, considering it undignified for his leader persona, and tried to suppress it. It's a rare, bizarre glimpse into a private side he desperately wanted to hide. Did you guess the determined young man's identity from the beginning? If not, a hint will help. Once a king cobra bit him. After 5 agonizing days, the cobra died. Yes, that was legendary Chuck Norris, a global icon of action and martial arts. From early days serving a country to a symbol of strength, Chuck Norris inspired millions. Discipline and memorable roles define a unique legacy. If this video entertained, hit that like button. Subscribe for more fascinating journeys and tell in the comments which photo today was an absolute favorite.